Hey everyone, welcome to Devolutions HQ, your source to help you control the IT chaos.
Yes, it is.
And we're so glad you guys are here. My name's Yen. I'm here with Jenny again.
Nice to see you guys again.
And we're here to help you guys learn, give you some tech tips and tricks, and just all sorts of news concerning Devolutions products and anything that's going out in the cyber world. We're here to help inform you. Anyway, last week was a special week. We had Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all sorts of stuff going on.
How was your shopping?
It was actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I did not buy a dishwasher this year.
Well, I think you already have.
Yeah, because I bought one from last year. Yeah. But actually, apparently one of our YouTubers that commented, Chris Thibault, bought one for himself. So that's pretty cool. So good job, Chris. But actually, I did get something kind of cool. I got an Amazon Echo. This was on sale on Amazon.
Those are so cool.
Yeah, they're really neat. Yeah. And it's actually funny because I have a 3-year-old son. And he went up to it and he said, "Hey, Google." And obviously, Alexa didn't answer. And then he did a face palm and he said, "Oh." And he walked away. So now I have to get him a Google. But he's getting used to the Alexa. But what about you? How was it fun?
It was fun. It was fun. I did some great Christmas shopping.
Okay, don't say anything.
I won't say anything, but I bought a few things and I'm super thrilled about it.
That's awesome. So. I love it. So anyway, we're going to start. How about we look at our blogs and let's head into the trenches.
Ooh, let's head over there. So I did just a little how-to. So Devolution Launcher, for those of you who don't know, it will allow you to launch a session directly from DPS. So you can launch an SSH or RDP directly from the DPS.
If you're already using Remote Desktop Manager, you're good to go.
You're good to go. You don't need the launcher.
Okay, good.
So if you want to know how to install it, it's really simple. Just go and check out my blog.
Sure.
And I have done another blog, which is an update of Compare of the VPN. So
that's great. Yeah. That's
because like the importance of VPN, you know, some people will go like in a coffee shop or something and just use the Wi-Fi.
Sure.
It's a public Wi-Fi. It can be super dangerous. Someone could like steal your information.
Yep.
So that's why VPN is super important. And we've added Pure VPN to our Compare.
Yeah, that's true.
So go and check it out, guys.
All right, now let's head over to some security news. I got some interesting things.
What do you have for us?
Last week we actually found out one of our password providers, LastPass, had a not a security breach, so don't worry about that. But one of their servers had a server failure internally. They had some issues with it, and it was down for 6 hours. But anyway, LastPass assured us that they did everything, and they went into overdrive trying to get things back up connected. So a lot of people that have RDM use LastPass as their to integrate their passwords with it. It works really well. And so hopefully you guys got back up online. But you know, these things happen, and that's okay. And actually,
nothing is bulletproof.
That's exactly it. But you do your best, you know?
Yeah.
But actually, I have a quote from one of the LastPass. His name is Shandor. And anyway, he wrote a blog about what they did.
Oh, really? Oh,
and he said the failure of the component and subsequent overload of the system was highly atypical, so something that doesn't happen often, and led our incident responders towards steps that cost them extra time. So that's why it took 6 hours, because they were trying to get it all figured out. We're taking the measures mentioned above in order to continue to provide our valued users the secure and reliable service they have come to expect. So they really wanted to make sure that everybody was, all their information was secure. It wasn't a data breach whatsoever. But these things, like I said, these things do happen. So if you want to read more about what happened to LastPass, you can click on the link as well.
It's really interesting.
But yeah, it is interesting. But you know, these things do happen, and but we're on track of it. But we just want to let you guys know, if there was an issue last week, that's why. We got some interesting tech nerd news, maybe?
Yeah,
okay.
I'm sorry, this is my geeky side coming out, but I am so excited. I mean, everybody heard about Red Dead Redemption 2.
Sure, yeah,
most awesome game. I just love it. Honestly, I'm like in love with my horse. That's awesome. I just love this game. But amazing news, Red Dead Redemption Online is coming out tomorrow.
Oh, that's
awesome. Friday.
That's really cool. Yeah,
this Friday, Red Dead Redemption Online. There hasn't been like a lot of people still like not talking about it just because we don't know what's coming with it.
Absolutely.
And everybody's been like so concentrating on playing hours and hours of just Red Dead Redemption, the game.
Sure.
But I can't wait to try it out. And guys, I will talk to you once I've tried it out.
Definitely.
And I've actually have a quote from Rockstar.
Oh, cool, yeah.
They said, head out hunting or fishing. visit bustling towns, battle enemy gangs, and attack their hideouts, hunt for treasure, take on missions, and interact with familiar characters from across the 5 states, or fight against other outlaws in both spontaneous skirmish and pitch set-piece battles, compete with other players, or hold passes in open-world challenges, and much more.
Wow.
So you're gonna get to, like, I saw a little peek, and you can actually just, like, if you see someone else, like, you can wave at them. Anyway, it just, like, it looks amazing.
That's awesome. So it's like an online component to Red Dead Redemption.
Exactly.
Okay, that's really cool. So that'll be fun. A lot of you guys can now interact with real players.
Exactly.
And
you might see me in there.
Yeah, you might see her in there. It's fine, but not during work hours because we're busy working, right?
Of course.
Yeah, lots of going on this week, and we're glad that you guys joined us for today. But you know, a lot of you probably wanted to watch because you wanted to see who won our contest from last week.
Yeah, for an
so
Amazon gift
a lot
card.
of you made comments, and you're probably wondering why is R2 here? This is an R2D2 French press, yes, which is pretty awesome. But inside R2, yes, is all the comments that you guys posted on last video.
Thank you for posting them, guys.
Yeah, thank you. That's a lot of great tips and tips that'll help us out as we're making this video for you guys. But in here we have some great, some different comments. So I'm gonna have Jenny pull one. Randomly, okay, we said it was random.
And hopefully I won't pull out Brenter. Thank you for the comment on Fiat. You know, maybe I should buy like 2 of them, so in case one break down.
That's so funny.
Anyway.
All right, let's
inside joke, sorry guys.
Let's say drum roll.
Let's say drum rolls.
Good.
And our big winner is Germano.
Oh, Germano.
So Germano, just send us an email.
Sure.
To you.
Yeah. I'll put the link in the description below.
Exactly. Just send us an email, and it will be a pleasure to send you guys the gift card.
Yeah, we'll send you that Amazon gift card.
Thank you, Germano, for participating.
Congratulations, and we'll have more. We won't have one every show because you know we have a budget. But the idea though is we'll have some interesting things. So you gotta make sure you guys watch to the end so you can see if there's a special contest and things like that. But we like your input, by the way. We had some great tips and that you guys gave us. A lot of you said things about having more product updates, things about the product, and we'll mention those things in our video. But if you head over to our channel, we have a playlist full of tutorials.
We got Jess making them.
Yeah, Jessica's fantastic. That's what she spends a lot of time putting a lot of effort into giving really technical details about how to do things, configuring, adding. Anyway, thanks for joining us again today, guys, and we'll have more next week. And if you have anything, just comment below, and we'd love to hear your comments as well. So have a great day, and thanks a lot, and thanks for helping us.
Thank you, guys. Cheers.
Control the IT chaos. Bye.